Good morning, Ohana. This is Dominic, and I just had a quick call with Peter Gruhl, who was having trouble printing the note slides on PowerPoint, and I wanted to kind of just jump in and show you guys what I showed him because you may have the same problem, and man, it'll just make this easier. So here I am in the ADM 201 class, and I'm looking at my PowerPoint, and I want to edit my notes. I can do anything I want. I can make this bold, right? I can do anything that I want to do here, but it doesn't affect how the notes print. How do you do that? Well, click on up to View, go to the Notes page, and you can see if there's any pages just like this that are going to bleed from the slide to the notes. For whatever reason, these things move around, and you can move. There's three different components. There's the backdrop, there is the slide, and there is the notes. And if you click on each one, you can manipulate these to print or use any way you want. So if you have a page with a lot of notes, let's go, or a page that's bleeding that you want to print, and you don't want the overlap, you can either resize, reshape, or remove whatever components you don't feel like you need, or to kind of restructure it so that it works better for you. That's it. That's off the cuff. Just move it around. When you click save, those notes will be saved, and when you go to print, as I changed slides 2 through 9, so we go to print. We're going to preview the print. You can actually see, move my little face, that I'm printing 2 slides per page. I want to print, move over there, face. I want to print the notes page. And as I go through, you can see that the slides that I moved around, there's no more bleeding of the text onto the slide and the note itself. See how I just made that? You can't move it from here, but you can actually see how it's going to print. So anywhere it doesn't print the way you want, this is my favorite, right? There's a lot of blank spot in the notes. It kicks to another page. I hate wasting paper, don't you? Actually, I just hate having to go through a blank page. It seems like a waste. So there it is. Simple, easy. Change your notes, change your life.